Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how can you make slider using streamlit. You can see I have already made a slider. Let me zoom in. Here is the slider. The range is 0 to 100. How can you make this? So you will just need to import streamlit as st. It depends on you. Then st.write. It's not the code of slider, it's just this. For this text you can also change it, and then st.slider. This is a slider range 0 to 100. Now if you refresh it, you can see the text has been changed. I am also upgrading this one. Let remove this thing. Slider, I wanna make range 0 to 50. Now if I refresh it, you can see the slider range has been changed to 0 to 50. And what is this? Why this 0 to 25 is colored? Because we give them the command 0 to 25 to be colorful. Let me change it to 15. Now if I run it again, reload it actually, so it will fill 0 to 15. Okay, so this is all for today guys. If you don't know how to run streamlit on Google Colab, you can watch my tutorial. The link will be in the description, the whole playlist link. And if you are new to my channel and want to learn more about Python and streamlit, please make sure that you have subscribed to my channel. Thank you guys.